Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper trending on X published on November 13th, 2025, about 8 days ago. It lays out a detailed international treaty that would pause the development of artificial superintelligence by capping massive training runs and tightly tracking advanced chips, aiming to avert what some experts see as about a 10% chance of human extinction, while still allowing current, safer AI tools. The paper is titled, An International Agreement to Prevent the Premature Creation of Artificial Superintelligence. And as we dig in, the proposed enforcement and verification system has big implications for how AI progress might be globally governed. Alright, the introduction just sketched the motivation for a strict global pause, and Figure 1 now spells out how that pause would actually work. The figure highlights 4 pillars: a shared governance structure, chip controls, research restrictions, and non-proliferation with enforcement. Governance establishes a United States and China-led council. Chip controls set compute thresholds and track hardware. And research rules curb work that speeds or hides artificial superintelligence progress. Non-proliferation tools like export controls and sanctions back all of this up with real leverage. So while Figure 1 laid out the treaty pillars, Figure 2 grounds those ideas in real training runs. The plot shows notable language models over time, with total training compute on a log scale, and the proposed monitored and strict thresholds drawn as blue and red lines. Many recent systems cluster at or above the strict threshold, which means their future training would be outright banned. The figure also maps those compute levels to estimated dollar costs, highlighting how only very large, well-resourced actors can reach this risky regime. So the big takeaways are, first, that a concrete, verifiable pause on massive training runs is technically feasible today using training compute caps and chip tracking, and second, that the real bottleneck is political will, not monitoring tools. The broader message is that governing frontier AI is a collective security problem. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.